A very important question which is asked by the family of the babies who are born premature: will my baby will have a lifelong problem? So I would say it is very important to see which NICU you are being taken care, because NICU and the facilities of that particular NICU is going to make a life-changing difference in your baby's care. So I'm Dr. Natasha and I'm a neonatologist at Rainbow Children's Hospital, and I'm going to talk about how the NICU makes a life-changing difference in the baby's care. So whenever a baby is born premature, these babies needs a lot of support. Immediately after delivery, the baby needs a support of a good thermal environment where the babies are taken care into a special box which is called as incubator or a radiant warmer. Because these babies are born without much subcutaneous fat and they need an immediate care in terms of the temperature. So temperature regulation is very, very important, which is being given in any of the good NICUs. Apart from that, immediately after the delivery, the first breath of the baby is supported either with the help of CPAP support or with the mechanical ventilation. Once this breathing support is given to the babies, the survival chances and the long-term outcomes of these babies improves significantly. Once these babies are delivered, they are shifted to the NICU, and in the NICU, a lot of precautions are taken care to prevent the infections to these babies, because these babies are born premature and they do not have the immunity of their own. So they have to be taken care in terms of lot of infection prevention measures. These babies cannot breastfeed. So we have to give them the parenteral nutrition, that is the nutrition through the IV line, which is given in the form of IV lipids, proteins, vitamins and minerals. And once these babies get better, they are given the orogastric feeding, the feeding which is given through the tube which is inserted into the baby's mouth. So slowly with each passing day, these babies start getting mature. And not only this, they need a very important environment for the neurodevelopmental outcome, which is called as the developmental supportive care and the family-centric care. So we at Rainbow Children's Hospital really support the family-centric care and the involvement of the mother, father, and even for that matter of fact, grandparents to take care of the babies. All these people are allowed inside the NICU to do the kangaroo mother care. Kangaroo mother care is a bliss for any premature babies, where the mother takes the baby close to her chest and do the kangaroo mother care. Even the father can do the same care. Even if the parents are not available for some reason, the grandparents can do that care. With this, the baby's eyesight is improved, the baby's hearing capacity is improved, baby's neurodevelopmental outcome gets better, baby's weight gain is better, baby's temperature is maintained. There are so many such benefits of the kangaroo mother care. So this is a care which is given in any good NICU as a holistic care, a team approach, a multidisciplinary team including the trained nurses, trained neonatologists, trained respiratory therapists, as well as a trained care professionals which are a part of any NICU team, which makes this NICU babies do a wonderful job in future. So thanks to NICU that all these premature babies are given the best of the care, and these babies reach to the full-term age and to the best of their developmental outcomes. Early intervention issues, that is the early intervention therapies which are given to these premature babies, which improves their neurodevelopmental outcomes, and these babies can perform as par to the other term babies of their gestation. Thank you.